Hey y'all, it's Jacqueline at Pixie Dust PhD. I am staying for one night at the Hilton Lake Buena Vista. This is a hotel in the Disney Springs area. Officially, I booked a 2-queen standard room, but I am a diamond member with Hilton, so we were upgraded to a 2 doubles junior suite. And during online check-in, I was able to look through the map and pick my room. There were many standard size rooms that seemed to be on the map, but I picked one that looked extra big, and so we did indeed get an extra huge room. Come take a look. This is room 674 on the 6th floor. It's so big you have a double door to enter. Then on either side of the door you have these mirrors. Behind each is a closet space, so you have double closets. This side does have your luggage rack, safe, and extra bedding. The other side is just a closet. Then we've got your bathroom, pretty standard, a little small compared to the size of the room, honestly, and apologies about the fan noise. Single sink, mirror, got mounted lotion. Here's a makeup mirror, but it's not lit and has no magnification capabilities. Toilet, piece of art, pretty standard shower tub combo, again with mounted Crabtree and Evelyn amenities. Across from the bathroom is this little room, which is your wet bar area. So here's your sink, small mini fridge down here. You've got your pass-through out to the living space. This is where they've set up our ice bucket and glasses. And then turning around, you have your coffee supplies here, as well as another mini fridge. And looking at that living space, you have a pretty decent sized couch. This is a pull-out sofa, so this room can sleep 6. Coffee table, some artwork, side table and lamp, and there is a connecting door if you want to adjoin this room. Got some pretty big windows here, and this room 674 does have a pool view. And then between this set of windows and that set of windows is your sort of work desk area. There's a couple of these auxiliary chairs, as well as an office chair, lamp, and big work area. Plus they have this very nice charge port situation with USBs and standard outlets. Across from this is the TV. So it is a little awkwardly situated where if you're sitting on the couch, you're at an angle, and if you're on a bed, you're at an angle. But look at how much space there is. It is just truly massive. Like, I easily did a cartwheel here and was never gonna hit anything. So turning around then, we have our 2 double beds. There is a nice big nightstand in between. Here's your QR code if you want to learn more about the hotel. Clock. This lamp does have some charging capabilities. So yeah, you can sleep 2 people on each of these beds, and then another 2 people on the couch. Plenty of space for all of your things and so much room for activities. We were only staying here for one night. We got in pretty late from the airport, really just gonna sleep here, not enjoy any of the amenities, but we are definitely enjoying the room. If you have any questions, leave those in a comment down below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for liking the video and subscribing to the channel. You can then ring the bell icon to receive notification whenever I upload new videos. We'll see you next time at Pixie Dust PhD.